Look at that. There. Finally hit 130. That's crazy.
That can't be safe.
All right. You got a Model Y Juniper. You just bought it. Well, check your nuts. Check your lug nuts. That was just too easy. Check your lug nuts. All right. I'm doing some basic upgrades on a friend's car and started taking the wheel off, and the lug nuts just came off like not super easy, but way easier than normal. These should be at 129 pound-feet of torque from the factory. That's the specification. And I took them off, and I've taken wheels on and off so many times. I know when something's at 130 foot-pounds or not, and these were not. So I checked, and I'll show you right when I'm done talking. I'll show you the little video that I made. They're not. They're way closer to 75, not even 80 pound-feet of torque. I don't know what happened. This is like a really new Juniper. He hasn't had the wheels tight. Nobody's messed with this. He wouldn't. He hasn't done anything to the car. So it maybe, I'm thinking at the factory now, when I tighten, when I torque lug nuts, I usually start at well, finger tight, get the wheel on, finger tight, then I torque to like 80 or 70 to 80 foot-pounds first go around, then I get the wrench adjusted to 130 or 129, 130, and go around again, do it again. So I do a two-stage. Maybe they do that at the factory too, because I think that's kind of how it's supposed to be done, so you're not at like starting off with one lug nut at 130 foot-pounds and the others aren't even tightened in. You know, that's kind of not good. They probably do something like that at the factory, and so they did like stage 1 but not stage 2. I mean, but how dangerous is that? These cars make a ton of power, lots of torque. And are the wheels going to come flying off? I don't know. It sounds dramatic, but why do they have it specified for 129 foot-pounds if 75, 80 is going to be okay? I don't know. I'm smelling a recall here, all right? That's all I have to say, because how is that safe? That can't be safe. So yeah, check your nuts. All right, Model Y Juniper, very new. Doing a little work, going to add some caliper covers. Check that out later, but I'm taking the lug nuts off and noticing that they come off like really easy. So I already loosened these two. Now I've got my torque wrench. It is set to 130 pound-feet, and I'm going to see where these factory lug nuts are torqued to. Look at this. Look at how much. Look at that. This is really far down. So in other words, this is way less than 130. There. Finally hit 130. That's crazy. I'm going to set this lower. I'm going to set this at like 100 and see what's going on. Okay, here, pound-feet now. We're going to show you guys. It's set at 100. And we're going to do this one. So this should click like right away if it's set to 130, or, you know, it's supposed to be factory spec, 129 foot-pounds. Look at, what? What? So you mean to tell me this thing's not even at 100? Oh, man. Wow. All right, let me go a little lower. Okay, we are now at 80 pound-feet. All right, this thing, I mean, come on. It shouldn't even move. Oh, wow. It moved a little. I don't know what these are set to. They're not set at 80, because when you have a lug nut, let's say a lug nut is at 80 foot-pounds, pound-feet, whatever. You set your wrench to 80. You go to tighten it, and it'll, here, watch. Now it's at 80, right? Watch. See that? It's just an immediate click. This, I had this set to 80, and it moved. What were they, 75? I'm going to check the spec. Maybe I'm wrong. I thought all lug nuts on all of these Teslas, Model Y Juniper, my Model 3 long range, Model 3 performance, they're 129 foot-pounds. I just say 130. I thought they were all like that. Maybe I'm wrong, but I think these are set to 129 foot-pounds of spec, Tesla spec. Brand new Model Y. These are maybe 75 pound-feet. What is going on? I'll do the other wheels. This is the first one, though. This is crazy. Okay. Rear wheel now. I've got this set to 70 pound-feet. Let's see if it moves. Have not touched any of these lug nuts. Oh, wow. Okay. Let me set to, let me move it up. Let's go to 80. Okay, 80. Yep, look at it move. These are probably set to 75. I'm guessing 75. Let's move it back. And I'm gonna go to a different lug nut. Oh, wrong way. Is that right? Yeah, 75. Okay. Go to a different lug nut. Okay, it's in there. Yeah, 75. It's probably about 75. So let me go back up to 80. Okay, 80. Guess I tightened it. Go up to 90. Yeah, see it moved before that. This is just not right. This is not right. Grab another one here. Brand new one. Look at that. That's crazy. All of them are probably like this. They're all set at probably about 75. Wow. This is bad. This is really bad. I mean, why do they say 129 foot-pounds is a spec and they're at like 75? That can't be safe.